Hi guys, this is Diane here, Millionaire Mom. So, how to connect your YouTube channel to Manychat. Now, Manychat, many of you know, is the automatic messenger, the automatic chatbot, which sends automatic messages to people who are already on your chatbot. Okay, so all I want to do is 2 minutes. So you click on auto posting. Hang on, let's do this properly. So you click on broadcasting, okay, then you click on auto posting, click this button. Look, YouTube channel, I've copied the link, add YouTube channel, and there you go. So next time you upload a video to YouTube, your little thumbnail will pop up in people's messages, and then you will get however many people who are on your subscriber list to actually watch it. So that's it's an extra bit to branding yourself. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye. I don't like this one.